I think part of the reason it's so tricky is I actually don't know if Paul's going to sign up for this workshop or not. I can't control that. I control everything I can get to the point of trying to make that happen, but in every interaction I've got with Paul, I know what I'm going to do, but I have no idea where he's going to go. And I think that's what makes some of this trickier or challenging. I don't know the mood he's in. I don't always know what's important to him. I don't know if, many times, I don't know if he's got any demand for what I do because I'm trying to create demand. I don't know anything about what happens in his side of the business until I learn it from him and he's single sourcing it. So, you know, if you've lived this life doing this, this is actually a lot harder than people think because we're no longer the talking brochure that we used to be 25 years ago. That's the only reason people met salespeople 20 years ago. There was no internet, so they'd come and talk to me, be a talking brochure to explain to me who you are and what you do. But now I don't need that, as you've established.